Hello violins! Today we're going to be working on the low first finger pattern, and we are going to be learning it on the E string. So the low first finger on the E string is the note F natural. Previously we have played F sharp with the first finger. That is the regular first finger. So if you're playing in the key of C major or any key that does not have any sharps, you're going to need to play F natural, which is low first finger. So if we've here is open E, and then low first finger is F natural. There we go. So let's go ahead and start on number 95, and this one is called Let's Read F. And the note F natural, it's okay to just call it F. If you say F, you are indicating that it is F natural. You do have to specify sharp if you want F sharp. So F sharp has to be called F sharp. F natural can just be called F. And remember, the natural notes are the white key notes on the piano. Okay, so and just remember that when you are playing low first finger, you are also playing low second finger generally. And it's not going to feel like low second finger because you do not have that half step between first finger and second finger. So when you play high first finger and then low second finger, you're going to feel that half step. Those fingers should be touching. But when you play low first finger and low second finger, there is still a whole step between those fingers, which is a space. The fingers are not going to be touching. Let's go ahead and follow that up with number 96, technique tracks. Okay, and remember that your E string does need to be replaced more frequently than your other strings. So if you're playing on the E string and finding that you have a tone that is not as pleasing, especially on the open E, it might be time to change your string. So generally the open E is going to have a bright sound to it, but if it sounds like it's distorted, if it's hard to really hear if the note is in tune, it might just be time to replace your E string. So that's something to consider doing. Now we're going to play in number 97, the F major scale. And the F major scale does have one flat in it, so the key of F major has a B flat in it. So we are going to start with low second finger on the D string, F natural. When we get to the A string, we will play B flat, low first finger, and C natural, low second finger. And then our highest note of that scale is going to be that F natural that we just learned on the E string. So the F major scale. This is one to really be paying careful attention to, tuning carefully. And don't forget those low first finger notes. Playing scales, it is really a good idea to avoid playing the open E, to use fourth finger on the A string instead. That's just kind of a good general practice playing scales. And then often it's recommended also to play fourth finger for the descending scale instead of the other strings as well. I don't always do that, but it is a good recommendation to do that. So you may consider doing the fourth finger on all strings descending instead of the open, but for the E string, you want to use the fourth finger on the A, really regardless if you're ascending or if you're descending. And then the final one on this page is also in the key of F major. This is a really beautiful piece. This is by Ludwig van Beethoven. And it is the theme from the violin concerto. A violin concerto is a piece that is for a solo violin accompanied by an orchestra. So I would encourage you to look this one up on YouTube or Spotify or wherever you get your music and listen to a recording of the Beethoven violin concerto. Here we go, number 98, theme from violin concerto. is it for page 21. I hope that you enjoy playing that. Again, I would encourage you to find a recording of the violin concerto. What we're playing is just the melody, just the theme, but the piece actually goes on for quite a bit longer than the part that we're playing. Good luck and happy practicing.